Hello, welcome back to the channel. We have the linear equation we need to solve for x. They gave us 4 plus 3 in the bracket x minus 1. This is equal to 7. We are going to collect all the constant to the right hand side, and we are going to remain with the variable on the left hand side. First, let us bring 4 to the right hand side. It's going to be subtracted here. That is going to be 3 in the bracket x minus 1. This is equal to 7. When 4 go to the right hand side, it's going to be subtracted by 4. 3 in the bracket x minus 1. This is equal to 3. Let us open the bracket by using 3. So 3 multiplied by x, we got 3x. Minus 3 multiplied by 1, we got 3. This is equal to 3. Let's bring minus 3 to the right hand side. It's going to be added. That is going to be 3x. This is equal to 3 plus 3. We got 3x. This is equal to 6. Divided by 3. Divide by 3. By 3, 1. By 3, 1. By 3, it's 1. By 3, we got 2. So the value of x, this is equal to 2. Hope you understand this equation. For more questions on equations, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.